after 40 minutes of travel from Lantad, Talisay, going here in Campo City, Minglanilla, which is the man-made forest in Cebu is situated. This is the man-made forest that you can see here in Campo City, Cebu. So as you can see, so I am inviting everyone, Cebuanos who love nature, so you can visit here in Campo City Man-Made Forest. So it's really a beautiful place for relaxing, and I think some of them they have the camping. There are some places where you can place your tent, no? Here kita mo sa ubos, diba? I saw some of karon ulan-ulan man, but before nga wala pa ulan, so today people are doing their camping. So sa ubos mag-camping sila. Mostly of the early in the morning, you can see bikers, some mga vehicle mo stop there for a picture, to see the beauty. This is a man-made forest. The purpose of this is forestation to dili ba mo buslide ang yuta, at the same time ang water ma-preserve, no? So it's really a beautiful. Also there is a man-made forest in Bohol, but at the same time visit first here in Cebu, because this is our local destination. You can check. It's really a beautiful place. Yeah, nagpasalamat ko for continuing watching, no? For padayon sa pagsuporta sa ko ang channel, and we try our best nga mahatag nato, ma-feature nato ang angay i-feature, and we can give you spiritual and as well as the beauty of nature, di ba? Thank you and God bless you all. Bye bye.